Hello everyone, it's Robin, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I made a delicious carrot clementine cake. You're going to want to make this and I'll show you how to make it. Prepare a 9-inch cake tin, buttered in parchment paper. In a large bowl, place all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon and salt. Give it a good mix. In another bowl, place avocado oil or canola or vegetable oil, light brown sugar, and 3 egg yolks. Give it a good mix. Then add grated carrots and chopped walnuts. Give that a few stirs. And then you're going to add the chopped clementine. Now I chopped that into small bits. That actually turns into sort of candy-like texture, which is amazing. You don't want to miss out. Combine the wet and dry ingredients. With those 3 leftover egg whites, you want to beat those till stiff, or you can whisk them. Gently fold that into the cake batter. By now you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. And you're going to add the cake batter to the cake tin. You're going to bake that for 30 minutes and then we'll glaze it. So let's go make the glaze. Zest and juice 2 clementines and a 1/4 cup brown sugar over medium heat to make a simple syrup. Now I felt really gypped. That didn't look like a lot of juice, so I repeated this process again. And there you go, I made the syrup. And at the 30-minute mark, what you do is you open up your oven and slide out the cake and glaze it. Top it with turbinado sugar. The original recipe was really skimpy on this process, so I doubled everything. You'll just see in the recipe. And there you go. Put it back in for another 20-25 minutes, and it's amazing, sparkly and fluffy. I hope you give it a try. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. Recipe and more at robinandwillow.com. Thanks for watching.